Hello everybody, this is Maria Loves Art and I will be working on a sunflower with this pour paint. Beneath black, and then I'll be using this lemon fluid paint. So I'm starting off with black. At the time I started, I just had an idea of just doing this swiping, which I'm using a piece of cardstock and just bringing the yellow, dragging it, and I'm adding some brown. This is when it's still very wet. I do have very dirty hands. They have paint all over them. This is a very messy project. So I started this project on March 24th. I was actually working on another project before this, the same day, and my hands were already getting paint on them, and my arm on the left side has blue paint. It was a little bit too depressing for me, so I needed to brighten it up. I thought I wanted so much black, but then I just decided to change the color. So I think this would have been a nice little painting just with the lemon and this coral color right here. You will see this painting change a couple of times. I'm using the green neon. And now I'll be adding some gold. I am using the end of my brush. You can use any brush or anything pointy. I'm adding the colors over and over again until I get the look that I want. I know it would have been easier just to start painting what I wanted, but I had several days in between and I was just feeling not so great, and I really wanted something to cheer me up, and so I needed more yellow and just for it to be so different. It's kind of funny how I'm looking at the painting right now. I think it looks so great already, but then at the time I really felt like it just needed more and more. I could have stopped so many times, but then it wouldn't have came out as great as I think it did at the end. So this is the painting when it is wet. You can see the lines and a little bit of the canvas showing through. It's uneven and some of the paint looks thick, but it's going to look a whole lot better when it dries. So here's the finished painting. It is very smooth now, and I really love the way it turned out. This painting makes me happy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I hope you liked it. Thanks so much.